Yeah, now we don't do any testing on the weekend. We just have clinics
they did
for
it.
sick
They're all
people.
done. They're gonna be able to do that.
That laboratory staff is not on duty on the weekend. Yeah, today is a holiday.
No. You're good. Put it right for you.
Okay, yeah.
I didn't want to do the tape and everything. That's too much work for me. Come back and do it again. I don't want to do it. I agree. If I have to take it back from you, take it to the shop. You're gonna scratch it. That's a couple of hours late.